Another video of mine, guys. So today, guys, we are introducing the characters of the polices of Melon Playground. Guys, let's go. First, we gotta go at Pokey Manager. This is the part 2, guys. Pokey Manager is the owner of the corporations. Guys, let's go at Pokey Titano Antonio, guys. Okay, guys. Bro. Guys, you might ask, why is there a Titan? Guys, the Titan was made to be their biggest shield. Guys, let's go next, guys. Guys, let's go at Gianto Antonio. It's the mini version of Titano Antonio. Guys, he was also experimented, guys. Let's go at Holder. Because Holder is a guard that is holding a skeleton. Now, guys, next we're gonna introduce is Mr. Douchefouche. He is, if you might ask, who is Mr. Douchefouche? Mr. Douchefouche has no legs, but he is the smartest one on the police. He also does so many things, guys. Now let's go at Pokey Escort. Pokey Escort also goes with the Pokey Challenger. Pokey Escort is joining every performances, guys. Now let's go at Pokey Officers, the originals. Pokey Officers is, guys, Pokey Officer is a normal officer, guys. They're a police officer. Now let's go at Wopley D. You might ask, who is Wopley D? He is the imposter, guys. That's it, guys. Bye.